Hey everybody, let's make it pop! It's the 12 days of holiday pop, and it's me, Professor Matthew Reinhart, and we're gonna make a really cool snowflake pop-up card. Just to let you know, I'm gonna do the talking in Kirsten's hands. She's gonna do the making, so this is really fun. First thing you're gonna need to do is to download the templates below, and you can print them out on colored cardstock, white cardstock, whatever you want to do. I've printed them out on 2 different colors. And there's 2 pages for this snowflake holiday DIY pop-up. So let's start off with the scoring. Use something like a big paper clip and a ruler. And we're gonna score. We're gonna rub the edge of the paper clip along each one of these dotted lines on all the pop pieces. And you're gonna see the best way to do it is to use a ruler and line it up just along those dotted lines and rub, put a little pressure on the paper clip, and you're gonna rub it along each one of those dotted lines. Just like that. Kirsten's doing a good job. Holiday scoring, holiday scoring, we love you, holiday scoring. Now, after we've scored all of our dotted lines, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take a pair of scissors, get something that you're comfortable with, big or small, whatever scissors work for your hands, and you're gonna cut along every single solid line, very carefully. Not the gray lines, only the black solid lines, just like so. Take your time, in no rush, enjoy making the craft. Cutting out pop-ups is a great holiday thing to do. That's a good one, right? Won't get any copyright issues with that song. Now cut out all of the pieces along the solid lines. And sometimes what I like to do, and Kirsten's doing it here, she likes to cut out the piece as a whole from the piece of paper really roughly, and then she'll go in and do the details so that she can turn her piece where the scissor can cut. If you want to cut out the interior piece of this snowflake piece, what you do is you fold it in half, and then you can cut. You can get inside by folding it in half, just like this, and we're going to cut out this star, just like that. Pretty clever, huh? Next, let's pre-fold all the pieces just like so. We'll fold the main base page, we'll pre-fold this snowflake piece, and then we'll pre-fold this last piece just like this. All right, let's get some glue. We just used regular white craft glue, and that works the best. You could also use double stick tape if you wanted to. We're gonna glue in all these gray areas. So let's see here. Let's use some white glue, and we're gonna paint it within this gray area, A and B. And you're gonna see that those shapes fit exactly these triangles right here on this piece. So 1, and then 2. And hold it in place and be patient, let it dry. Sometimes I press my finger down on it, make sure that center fold of the snowflake is aligned with the center fold of that piece that's underneath it. Very nice. And be patient, let it dry a little bit. Take your time, you maybe have a go snack, and then come back and finish the rest of your pop. You want to make sure it dries well. See how that is folded and attached? Next, let's add some glue on area C, glue C here. We're going to do that where this gray shows that spot. And we're going to glue this right here, and there's going to be 2 tabs that fit that exact shape. See right there, 1, and there's C and there's D. Go right there. Just put it in place, press it down. Make sure the center of that pop-up piece that we're gluing on is lined up with the center of your card piece. See how it's lined up like that? And voila! Ooh, it's snowing early this year. Look at that. There is our pop-up snowflake. And this is the way it should be folded in the back. Do you see how that piece folds outward and that's in? See how that works? That's how it should look when you look at it from the top. Now, the best part, my favorite part, is decorating that pop-up look. Let's add, we can use markers, we can use crayons, we can, ooh, look at, we could even add some extra, I love metallic markers. Oh my God. You could even glue extra things like whether they're colored paper or felt or, oh wow, she's even got some shiny snowflakes to add to our pop-up. Now we can make it really special. We can make it our own. and make our very own happy holiday card. Oh my gosh. And there we have it, a holiday snowflake pop. Super fun, super easy. Anybody can do it. And you can, hey, maybe I'll send this card to somebody else. Yeah, good idea. And they're fun to make too. Hey everybody, if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. And if you have some ideas for more holiday pops, just let me know down in the comments. There's gonna be more for the 12 days of pop coming up soon. So I hope you've enjoyed it. See you later and happy holidays.